Bullhead time, baby. You good, you got it. Got one, Cardo. Oh, it's a little puller too. Okay, little fighter. Okay, what's this? Okay, what we got here, Cardo? We got a little bullhead. Oh, we got a bullhead, Cardo. Ooh, a nice one too. Should have never left. Oh man, I got my sinkers caught in the rocks. Hate when that happens. Trying to make a film for Ricardo. Thank God we got one. Alright, let's not lose this little. I got my sinker caught in the rocks, man. Oh man, I caught on my boot. Caught on everything. There we go, turtle. Nice little bullhead, boy. It's a nice size one. I got one. You know what I'm saying? I put on that pole. Where? Where is that? Oh, there you go. Yeah. There it is, right there. He ain't never left. Nice bullhead. That's how we do it, baby. We're doing it real big. We gotta fight. You want to keep recording you or keep in the water? Keep it going. Oh yeah, get the fish. Oh snap. That's how we do it. Okay. Nice little whippersnapper. Hey, that's a big one right there, Carlo. Nice one. Don't fight it, little guy. That's a nice one. Yeah. I like it. See, it look like a shark with the boom. With the thing at the top. Bullhead time, baby. You good, you got it. Little bullhead moving, boy. Right?